In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your working hours in HubSpot 2025. Whether you're trying to better organize your schedule or simply update your availability, managing your working hours within HubSpot is an intuitive and straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can adjust your schedule with ease. Let's get started by navigating to the HubSpot User Guide. It's important to have this as your starting point because it serves as the main hub for all user-related settings and preferences. Once you've opened the HubSpot User Guide, it's time to locate the settings. You'll typically find the settings by looking for a gear icon or a similar symbol commonly recognized as settings. Clicking on this will direct you to an area where you can manage various options about your account. Once you've entered the settings area, it's time to edit your working hours. Find the section labeled Edit Working Hours. This is where you will make your changes. Now, this part of the process is crucial. You need to ensure that the times you enter accurately reflect your current working schedule to avoid any scheduling conflicts or miscommunications with teammates or clients. This customization ability allows you to align your work schedule within HubSpot so that it accurately reflects your real-world availability, which is especially useful if your work hours differ from the usual 9-to-5 setup. As you're editing your working hours, think about any recurring commitments you have, such as team meetings or client calls, and adjust your schedule accordingly. It's beneficial to get this right the first time to save any back-and-forth adjustments later. Editing your working hours in HubSpot also allows you to manage your time more effectively, making sure that your digital calendar is in sync with your actual work-life timetable. After making your desired changes, don't forget to save them. Saving is often an overlooked step, but ensuring that your changes are confirmed will help prevent any discrepancies or loss of your customized settings. With that, you have now successfully edited your working hours in HubSpot 2025. Remember, this functionality not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures smooth interactions with your contacts by letting them know when you're best available for correspondence. It's always a good idea to periodically check back and update these hours as needed, particularly if your work arrangements change or if you need to accommodate different schedules. By staying on top of these details, you'll enhance your efficiency and communication within HubSpot, making sure that every interaction is as seamless as possible. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy organizing!